Okay, good day everyone. Our topic for week 2 is Venn diagram. Venn diagram, by definition, is a diagram that uses circles to represent sets. The relation between the sets is indicated by the arrangement of circles. The Venn diagram is a way of representing sets visually and is named after its inventor, British mathematician John Venn, from 1834 to 1923. So Venn diagram is used to see or represent relationships or connections of sets through the arrangement of circles. Take note that Venn diagram is named after the British mathematician John Venn. His last name is Venn, so that is called as Venn diagram. So let us have the illustrative example number 1. Use Venn diagram to represent the following sets. Set U consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Set A consists of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, while set B consists of 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this is the answer for illustrative example number 1. Take a look at the Venn diagram. The two sets of common elements, 6 and 8. Therefore, we need to write these elements in the intersection of the two circles, in the middle part. Then write the other elements of each set in the other part of the circle. Do not forget to name the circle first. The elements of U that are not in A or B must be placed outside the two circles because they are under the universal set or set U. Take note of this. When you are making a Venn diagram, you always start with their intersection or with their common element. Let us have this illustrative example number 2. Use Venn diagram to represent set and set operations. So here our given is the Venn diagram. So let us name all the elements under set A. As you can see in set A we have 2, 5, 6, 8, and 9. You will write the elements from lowest to the highest. Okay, so if we are going to look for A intersection C, just take a look on the elements of A and C. Their common is 8 and 9. So A intersection C is 8 and 9. Next, set B. All the elements found in B. So we have 1, 3, 7, and 9. If we are going to look for B intersection C, take a look on the circle B and circle C. And their common element is 7 and 9. And then set C. Take a look on the circle C. Write all the elements under that set. We have 4, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Arrange from lowest to highest. And then we are going to find their intersection of all the three sets. So that is 9, found in the middle part of the three circles. Let us have illustrative example number 3. The problem is 60 students of grade 7 charity, whereas if they have pet animals at home, 40 of the students have dogs and 35 have cats. You are to answer the following questions. For A, how many students have dogs only? For B, how many students own cats only? The last one is, how many students have bought pet animals? For our solution, we are going to use a two-circle Venn diagram. Let us represent them as S1 or set 1, set of students with dogs only. Set 2 or S2, set of students with both pets, that is their intersection. Set 3 or S3, set of students with cats only. And we have also U as the universal set. For finding the elements in each region, we are going to have this formula. n quantity S1 plus n quantity S2 plus n quantity S3, n represents the number, is equal to the number of students as is equal to 60. And then we're going to subtract 60 by 40. 40 represents the number of students who have dogs. If we are going to find the number of cats, we're going to subtract 60 by 40. So our S3, or the number of cats, is 20. 20 of students who have cats only. So for us to find the number of students who have dogs only, we should subtract 60. 60 is the total number of students as. 35 is the number of students who have cats. So that is 60 minus 35. We have 25. So 25 of students who have dogs only. So we're done with the value of our set 1 and our set 3. So for us to find n of set 2, we have 25, that is the value of our S1, plus n quantity S2 because that is unknown, plus 20, that is the value of our S3, is equal to 60, that is the total number of students. So that would be 25 plus 20 combined. So that is 25 plus 20, that is 45. 60 minus 45, that is 15. So the value for our S2, or the number of our set 2, is equal to 15. To summarize all the answers, this is the final answer. For our S1, of students who have dogs only, we have 25. For our S2, of students with both pets, we have 15. For our S3 of students who have cats only, we have 20. Our topic for week 2 is Venn diagram. So these are the learning tasks for you to accomplish today. So for your learning task 1, you're going to list down inside the diagram what is as in each set. So first, A is the set of factors of 12. So what are those numbers that are factors of 12? B is the set of prime numbers less than 15. So what are those numbers or prime numbers less than 15? For C, you are going to list the set of even numbers less than 15. So this is working backwards. First, find the common among A, B, and C. And then proceed with the common element or the intersection of A and C, intersection of A and B, intersection of B and C. And then you are now to know all the numbers in A, all the numbers in B, and all the numbers in C. For your learning task 2B, solve the problems using a Venn diagram to help you. So the sample for Venn diagram is on the right side of the slide. So a group of 60 students were asked whether they watch TV Patrol or 24 Horas or both programs, depending on the news. 38 of these students watch TV Patrol and 32 watch 24 Horas. You are now to know how many watch TV Patrol only, how many watch 24 Horas only, and how many watch both news programs. So for this is just our illustrative example number 3. You are just going to subtract 60 minus 24, 60 minus 32 for you to get the number of people who watch TV Patrol only and 24 Horas only. So for your learning task 3, using a Venn diagram, write down at least 10 of your characteristics of you and 2 of your family members' characteristic. Then answer the following questions. So you are going to list 10 of your characteristics and 2 of your family members. So what are your similarities? That is the first question. Next is what are the distinct characteristics among each of you? And the last one is from whom did you get more of your characteristics? So you are going to use here the Venn diagram also. On that performance task, you are going to use a 3-circle Venn diagram. Do not forget to label each circle with you and the name of 2 of your family members. The first thing you need to do is to find the common characteristics among the 3 of you. As you can see, there is an arrow with common among you and 2 family members or common characteristics. Next, the common characteristics of 2 family members or their intersection. So we have common among you and 1 family member and another common characteristics among you and 1 family member. The last one will be each distinct characteristic. So you have your distinct characteristics, your family members characteristics or distinct characteristics, and the last family member distinct characteristics. Okay, that is all for your learning task. Thank you and good luck.